Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of trading basics, and in this video I am going to show you how can you fix if your login is not working into your Coinbase account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In this scenario, we can do 3 most effective things into your phone to solve this problem in your Coinbase. The first one is to check for updates into your Coinbase application. In order to do that, just simply open your Play Store application, search for Coinbase into your account. Just simply search for Coinbase into your Play Store. And after searching, if your Play Store is showing update, in the place of this open button, you have to update your Coinbase application, then your login problems will be fixed. The second option here is to clear the cache of your Coinbase app by going into settings. Just simply open the Coinbase app setting and then go to storage setting, then you can clear the cache from here. Try doing that, and if your problem doesn't solve even after doing that, you can consider uninstalling your Coinbase app and reinstall the app and then try to log in. Then after doing that, your problem will be solved. And if your problem will not be solved even after trying all these 3 ways, you should try after some hours. Then probably you can log in into your Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.